Hi, today I'll show you how to knit very easy baby booties on 2 needles. Cast on 9 stitches and knit 26 rows. It's in this place. Now pick up stitch on the other edge and knit together with the stitch on the needle. And once more pick up stitch and knit together on the needle and continue. Total 9 stitches. And work 1 row. Next row 1 slip, 1 knit, an hour, 2 knit, an hour, 1 knit, an hour, 2 knit, an hour, knit, purl. Wrong side, slip, knit, knit from the back, knit, knit, knit from the front, knit, knit from the front, 2 knit, knit from the back, knit, purl. Next row 1 slip, 1 knit, an hour, 3 knit, marker, marker, an hour, 3 knit, marker, an hour, 3 knit, an hour, knit, purl. Next row 1 slip, knit, an hour, first an hour, knit from the back, knit, second an hour, work from the front, marker, knit, marker, an hour, knit from the front, and here an hour, knit from the back, knit, purl. One slip, 1 knit, an hour, work until the marker, marker, an hour after the first marker, and before the second marker. Marker, in our one knit, purl, in our, and here. Wrong side, one slip, one knit, in our from the back, knit, in our work knit from the front, knit, in our work knit from the front, in our work knit from the back, purl, here we have holes and here we don't. Continue one slip, one knit, in our knit, marker, in our after the first marker, in our before the second marker, knit, in our knit, purl. Total 53 stitches. Mark the 9 middle stitches. Knit until the second marker. Until the second marker, work 2 stitches together. Turn your work and knit from the other side. One slip, marker, knit until the marker, and work 2 stitches together. Turn the work, one slip, marker, knit 10 until the marker, and work 2 stitches together. In right side, work, knit 2 stitches together, and the wrong side, work, purl 2 stitches together. There are 11 stitches left on the needle. Now add one stitch on each side in every row. Do it 9 times. Total 29 stitches. Pick up 15 stitches on the opposite side. Work 10 rows. Bind off all stitches. That's all for today. Good luck.